The voice license will arrive in your patient's email as a downloadable link. Open the email from a Windows desktop or laptop. Click the link and download the zip file. After it downloads, create a folder with a name you'll recognize, like James's voice, and save it somewhere easy to find. The desktop works great. Right-click the folder and select Extract All or Unzip to open the contents. Inside the folder, look for a file called regsapi5.bat. This is your registration script. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. You might get a pop-up warning depending on your system settings. No worries. Click More Info, then click Run Anyway. A window titled Registration Console will pop up. It might look intimidating, like something only developers use, but don't panic. Just press Enter and the window will close. Done! The voice is now installed as a Windows SAPI voice, which means it can be used in any compatible Windows application.